Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Have you ever purchased a charm pack and you didn't have enough of the same print for a quilt block that you wanted to make? Well, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make your own charm squares out of fat quarters. Well, let's get started. Supplies needed is fat quarters, a couple of quilting rulers, a rotary cutter, and an extra blade if you need to change one. And as you'll see at the end of the video, I needed a new blade. Also have a spray bottle with distilled water and an iron. I begin by unfolding my fat quarter, and then I'm going to spritz it with the distilled water. You notice the creases, that's normally what a fat quarter looks like when you purchase it. So the magic is to spray it very lightly with the distilled water, and then we're going to wad it up and then iron. And the reason I wad up the fabric is I distribute the water onto all the pieces of the fabric. Now we're going to fold our fabric with the selvage and the raw end together, and then we're going to trim. We're going to trim it up to a 90-degree angle and then flip our fabric. And to make my cut, what I like to do is line up the lines on the ruler, not the cutting mat, to make it the 90-degree angle. And when measuring for the 5 inches, be sure to put the line of the number 5 on top of the fabric, not before or after. And then repeat. And what I like to do, instead of cutting out one at a time, I stack my 3 pieces and then I'm going to cut. And then once my fabric is evenly stacked, then I'm going to trim off the right edge at a 90-degree angle using the lines on the ruler. And at this point, I normally do apply a pin in it, and I did not, and my fabric shifted as I twisted it. So you may want to pin right at first while you're moving your fabric. And now we're going to cut the 5-inch squares. And as you can see here, my fabric didn't want to cut at first, and then I had to even trim off. That's because I need a blade change. And now our 12 charm squares are complete. I'm going to leave in the description box and also in the iCart of the quilting block. It's called the Churn Dash. It's really a cute pattern, and it's made with charm squares. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Happy sewing, and see you next time.